institution IIT in the year 2005. The world-renowned business magnate Ratan Tata gave me PhD at IIT Chennai in the year 2005. I am recipient of 12 national awards, 2 international awards and 3 gold medals. I had been to 5 countries, namely Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand and Sri Lanka, and delivered expert lecture on my research topic, namely static and fatigue behavior of a composite bridge deck panels at NUS, a premier institution in Asia, and in University of Singapore. Okay, I worked in research laboratories established by APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Abdul Kalam ji established a research laboratory by name Composite Technology Center at IIT Chennai. I did my PhD in same center, Composite Technology Center in Chennai. Okay, I am the authorized and approved Indian external PhD examiner for the PhD thesis submitted to Anna University Chennai. I have evaluated 31 PhD theses till now, and I acted as a key, advisor to organize several international national seminars, conferences, and symposia throughout the country, and delivered several keynote lectures in many international conferences organized in India. That is a brief history about my profile. I was with the GMR Group, GMR International Airports, Hyderabad, New Delhi, and I was with the Siddhartha Group of institutions. And after that, I worked with scientists, again Chennai, CSI laboratories, Taramani, in Vijayar Film City. Okay. So different area. I was with the BSCS Limited. I worked at Arabian Sea, NTPC projects. So I have total research experience, industry experience, and experience to work with Indian personalities. My students are now presently working in different capacities. One of my students by name Josephine Kingdom Florence from Coimbatore. I work at Coimbatore. So she is now scientist in ISRO. She was in a team among the scientists who launched 104 satellites to space. So that is my brief profile. The present management of this particular institution happened to be President Rajeswari Reddy garu. So he is basically industrialist and businessman in this particular locality. The another name for Proddutur town is Second Mumbai. Another name is Second Mumbai. So gold business, other businesses equal to Mumbai will happen. To your surprise, almost Telugu film industry, majority of the financial support from this particular place seems to be very small, but it dictates the entire state. That is the capacity of this particular place. For finance point of view, total film industry depends around 70 to 80% from this particular place. People used to pump money for film industry. Not only that, if you look at the famous festival, Puja, other name is Dasara. So for that festival, next to South India, famous to celebrate the Dasara is Mysore. Next to Mysore, it's called Second Mysore. Two names, Second Mumbai, Second Mysore. So Dasara festival will be celebrated very grand festival. Okay. Another thing is gold. Almost whatever rate at Mumbai, same rate will be here at Proddutur. That is why for any occasions, marriage occasions or some other occasions, especially you people, ladies, want to buy sarees or gold, people used to come to Proddutur and purchase. Very pure gold and less cost, less price. Okay, that is another specialty. So President Rajeswari Reddy garu, chairman of our institution, is owning 3 IMAX cinema theaters, famous theaters here. Bahubali movie 2 screened here itself. And they are having some, hotel, 3-star hotels planned established here. In addition to that, for the high schools, reputed schools, Narayana, Chaitanya Group, we people, our management is to construct infrastructure for them and they rent it for high profits. give constructed infrastructure facilities for sake of rent for reputed educational groups, namely Sri Chaitanya, Narayana, etc. Our chamber is received two sons, namely Veera Kumar Reddy. He is looking after this construction industry, theatres and all. Second son, my name is Kalyan Reddy, who will happen to be correspondent of this particular group. He is with us now. I will introduce you shortly. Okay, thanks. I could not speak to you while you were